Kubeflow Pipelines, how to automate your ML workflows. In this video, we'll explore setting up and managing Kubeflow pipelines to enhance efficiency in your machine learning projects. Did you know that over 60% of data scientists spend most of their time on repetitive tasks rather than actual data analysis? Welcome to our deep dive into Kubeflow pipelines, where we reveal how to automate your machine learning workflows efficiently. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and manage Kubeflow pipelines to streamline your model deployment and experimentation processes. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the skills to improve efficiency and consistency in your ML workflows. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering Kubeflow pipelines.
Kubeflow pipelines are a crucial part of the Kubeflow ecosystem, designed to automate, manage, and scale machine learning workflows. They consist of a set of components that define the steps involved in an ML workflow, from data preprocessing to model training and deployment. At the core, these pipelines offer a structured way to organize and automate these steps, ensuring consistency and reproducibility in your experiments. The key advantage of using Kubeflow pipelines lies in their ability to simplify complex ML processes, thus enabling data scientists and engineers to focus more on model development and less on operational overhead. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale deployment, understanding and leveraging Kubeflow pipelines can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Throughout this series, we'll delve into various aspects of Kubeflow pipelines and how they can be applied to real-world scenarios, helping you to harness the full potential of this powerful tool.
Automating your machine learning workflows with Kubeflow pipelines can transform the way you approach data science projects. One of the primary benefits is the significant increase in efficiency and productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up valuable time to focus on more critical aspects of your projects, such as fine-tuning models and exploring new algorithms. Furthermore, automation ensures that your workflows are consistent and reproducible, which is essential for collaboration and scaling your projects. With Kubeflow pipelines, you can also handle larger datasets effortlessly, thanks to its scalable architecture. This scalability means that you can take your models from prototype to production faster, reducing the time to market and giving your business a competitive edge. Additionally, by providing a structured way to define workflows, Kubeflow pipelines facilitate better collaboration among team members, enabling them to work together seamlessly. These benefits make Kubeflow an indispensable tool for any data-driven organization looking to optimize its machine learning processes.
To effectively use Kubeflow pipelines, it's crucial to understand its basic components. At the highest level, a pipeline is the main structure that orchestrates the execution of various steps. Think of it as the blueprint for your ML workflow. Each pipeline is made up of components, which are the building blocks that define the specific tasks to be executed. These tasks, or steps, can include data preprocessing, model training, evaluation, and deployment. As data flows through the pipeline, it is passed between steps as artifacts. These artifacts can be datasets, models, or any output generated by a step. One of the powerful features of Kubeflow pipelines is parameterization, which allows you to define variables that can be adjusted at runtime. This flexibility enables you to experiment with different configurations without altering the underlying pipeline structure. By understanding these components, you'll be better equipped to design robust and effective pipelines that meet the specific needs of your machine learning projects.
Creating a simple Kubeflow pipeline is the first step towards automating your ML workflows. Begin by setting up your environment. Ensure you have access to a Kubernetes cluster with Kubeflow installed. Next, you'll write your first pipeline script using Python, which involves defining the components and steps that make up your pipeline. Each component is a Python function that represents a task in your workflow. Once your script is ready, you'll deploy it to Kubeflow. This involves compiling the script into a YAML file and uploading it to the Kubeflow pipelines UI. After deployment, run your pipeline and monitor its execution. The Kubeflow interface provides detailed logs and visualizations of your pipeline's progress, making it easy to identify any issues or bottlenecks. By following these steps, you'll have a functional pipeline that automates a simple ML workflow, laying the foundation for more complex projects. Data preprocessing is a crucial step in any machine learning workflow, and integrating it into your Kubeflow pipelines ensures that your models receive consistent and clean data. Start by creating preprocessing components within your pipeline script. These components will handle tasks such as data cleaning, normalization, and feature engineering. When defining these components, focus on handling data transformations that prepare your dataset for modeling. It's essential to ensure that these transformations maintain data consistency across different runs. To achieve this, test your preprocessing steps thoroughly to catch any potential errors or discrepancies. By integrating data preprocessing into your pipelines, you create a standardized process that can be reused and adapted for different datasets, improving the reliability and accuracy of your models. In the dynamic world of machine learning, managing pipeline versions and experiments is vital for tracking progress and ensuring reproducibility. Kubeflow Pipelines offer robust version control features that allow you to create and manage different versions of your pipelines. This functionality is particularly useful when you need to run experiments with different parameters or configurations. By creating separate versions, you can easily compare experiment results and identify the most effective approach. Additionally, Kubeflow's metadata tracking capabilities enable you to keep detailed records of each experiment, including parameters used, runtime, and outcomes. This metadata is invaluable for understanding the impact of changes and making informed decisions in future iterations. By leveraging these features, you can maintain a structured and organized approach to your ML experiments, ultimately leading to more efficient and successful projects.
Monitoring and debugging are critical aspects of maintaining optimal performance in your Kubeflow pipelines. Regular monitoring allows you to identify issues early and ensure that your pipelines run smoothly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the logging features provided by Kubeflow. Logs offer detailed insights into each step of your pipeline, making it easier to pinpoint and resolve any issues. In addition to logs, utilize performance metrics to assess the efficiency of your pipelines. These metrics can highlight areas where optimizations are needed, such as reducing runtime or resource usage. To enhance your monitoring efforts, consider using additional tools and plugins that integrate with Kubeflow, providing advanced visualization and alerting capabilities. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can maintain high-performance pipelines that consistently deliver accurate and reliable results. To maximize the efficiency of your Kubeflow pipelines, it's crucial to adopt best practices throughout the design and implementation process. Start by designing pipelines that are simple yet effective, avoiding unnecessary complexity that can lead to inefficiencies. Focus on optimizing resource usage, ensuring that you're not over-allocating resources that could be better utilized elsewhere. Regular maintenance and updates are also key to keeping your pipelines running smoothly. As new features and improvements are released, ensure that your pipelines are up to date and leveraging the latest capabilities of Kubeflow. Finally, don't hesitate to tap into the wealth of community resources available. The Kubeflow community is vibrant and active, offering a range of tools, plugins, and best practice guides that can enhance your pipeline efficiency. By following these best practices, you can build robust and high-performing pipelines that drive successful machine learning projects. We've covered a lot in our journey through Kubeflow pipelines, from understanding the basics to implementing best practices for efficiency. Remember, mastering Kubeflow pipelines is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Engage with the Kubeflow community to stay updated on the latest developments and share your insights and experiences. We would love to hear your thoughts on this video. Please leave a comment below with your feedback and any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your network. Together, let's continue to innovate and optimize our machine learning workflows.